Dear students, we are learning matrices chapter. In that one, we are learning determinants chapter. So, in determinants, we are doing 7 marks important questions. So, in that one, in the previous video, exercise 3D third bit problems completed. Okay, so the solved problems which are related to exercise 3D or some problems are there. From those problems also we are getting 7 marks questions and 4 marks questions. So it is essential to solve those problems also. So here we have 7 or 8 problems. I am going to explain those problems also. So clear ga నేర్చుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లమ్ని పాస్ చేయండి. మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్ పైన చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేశారు కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని పాస్ చేసి మీరు ఓన్గా ట్రై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, సో ఓన్గా ట్రై చేస్తే మీకు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఆగుతున్నారు అనే విషయం మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు వాటిని మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం వల్ల ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ అయిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి వీడియో చూసి కాపీ చేయడం కాకుండా పాస్ చేసి ఓన్గా ట్రై చేయండి. దెన్ ఎక్కడైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే దాన్ని 1-2 సార్లు ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇలా మీరు కనుక చేసినట్లయితే ఎగ్జామ్లో మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అవ్వదు. ఓకే, సో కాబట్టి ఓన్గా ట్రై చేయడానికి, ఓన్గా సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఎక్కువగా ప్రయత్నించండి. మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అనిపిస్తే దానికి ఒక 2-3 టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. రైట్, సో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ 1a square, 1b square, 1cc square. This we have to prove a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. These type of problems already we have solved. Okay, just to do row operations or column operations. Hints also given. Take left hand side part. In this one I am doing these operations. So here as we have a minus b, operate r1 implies r1 minus r2. In example problems they did in another way, no problem. Next we have b minus c. B minus c means we have to operate row 2 minus row 3. So these two operations we are going to do now. That is row 1 minus row 2. 1 minus 1 0. Next a minus b. Next a square minus b square. Next operate row 2, that is row 2 minus row 3. row 2 లో నుంచి row 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ని తీసేయాలి. కేర్ఫుల్గా కరెస్పాండింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని తీసేయాలి. 1 minus 1 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Don't disturb third row, keep like that only. Okay, now first row can be written as a minus b. A square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. B square minus c square formula, b minus c into b plus c. Now in first row a minus b common in first row, b minus c common in second row. What are remaining? 0. Here we have 1. Here a minus b common means we have a plus b. 0. b minus c common means 1. b minus c common, b plus c. 1c c square. Okay, now do determinant along with first column. Along with first column means symbols plus minus plus kada. So a minus b into b minus c into 0 into something. అది రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 0 into something 0, right? Minus 0 plus 1 into, remove row and column, you will get 1 a plus b, 1 b plus c. Now finally a minus b into b minus c into, these are two zeros, and 1 into b plus c, b plus c, b plus c, minus 1 into a plus b, minus of a plus b. Minus of a plus b means minus ni 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలని. That is minus of a plus b, that is minus a minus b. So b gets cancelled. We will get a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, which is equal to RHS. Okay, simple problem. Practice it. Second problem, without expanding the determinant, we have to show this one. Expand చేయకూడదు, determinant ఏం expand చేయకూడదు without expanding. That means we have to use determinant properties, row operations, column operations. Okay, Now take left hand side part, and this is the left hand side part, right? So for this, if we add all these rows, we will get 2 into a plus b plus c as we did in previous problems. So first operation is r1. I am operating on r1, that is I am adding all rows. R1 implication r1 plus r2 plus r3. What happens? How it will be changed? Add these three: b plus b to b, c plus c to c, a plus a to a. That means we will get 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Next, second row also 2c's, 2a's, 2b's, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. And as well as third row also 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Now don't disturb second row and third row. Now here in second row, in first row 2 is common. 2 is common, right? 2 into a plus b plus c, 2 into a plus b plus c, 2 into a plus b plus c. Actually 2 into a plus b plus c common, but don't take a common total term. We require a plus b plus c, we don't require 2. So 2 is taking common. Then what is remaining? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, c plus a plus b, b plus c, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Important problem. 2 మాత్రమే కామన్ చేయాలి, a plus b plus c కామన్ చేయకూడదు. ఎందుకు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Here next I am going to operate second row and third row. Second row means c plus a. I am operating row 2 like this, row 2 minus row 1, and similarly row 3 minus row 1. Second row నుంచి ఫస్ట్ రోని, థర్డ్ రో నుంచి ఫస్ట్ రోని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ రోని చేంజ్ చేయకండి. దట్ ఈస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Now second row minus first row, that means c plus a minus b minus c, a plus b minus a minus b minus c, b plus c minus a minus b minus c. Similarly third row minus first row, a plus b minus a minus b minus c, a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus c, minus kada andukani c plus a minus b minus c. Okay, now 2 into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Here a c c gets cancelled. Like that all terms will get cancelled. We will get minus b, ab cancel, minus c, here minus a, bb aa cancel, minus c, bc is cancel, minus a, cs cancel, minus b. Okay, so these are remaining. Almost we got bca, cab. Okay, inka em cheyali, think. So now add r1, again r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, so I am operating r1 again, r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, so that is 2 into a plus b plus c minus b minus c, b b c c cancel, we will get a, b c a cancel, we will get b. Add row 1 implies row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. So by adding these three rows we get a b gets cancelled, we will get c. Okay, so minus b minus c minus a minus c minus a minus b. Okay, now we got first row also, but we don't have negative signs, right? So now minus common in second row and third row. minus 1 common in second row and third row. So 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 దీని నుంచి minus 1 దీని నుంచి. ABC BCA CAB minus common కదా, అందుకని minus into minus plus, which is equal to 2 into ABC BCA CAB, which is equal to RHS. ఓకే, సో మీరు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎలా చేశాడో ఆ ఆపరేషన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. మీరు ఎలాగో సొల్యూషన్ మీకు చేయొచ్చు కాబట్టి ఆపరేషన్స్ని ఎక్కువగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆపరేషన్స్. Students, remember these type of problems. So in IIT exams or MCET examinations or another competitive examinations, so if you remember the direct code, then you can answer directly. So first problem is 1a square 1b b square 1c square. The answer is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. If we have 1a square a cube 1b square b cube 1c square is a cube, the answer is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Extra we have ab plus bc plus ca. Like that in extras also we have some problems. So those type of problems remember. Okay, so directly you can answer. Now take left hand side part and apply. This is the left hand side part. Apply here. Answer we have a minus b, right? That's why operate r1 as r1 minus r2, and also in the same step r2 minus r3. Okay, so what happens? 1 minus 1, r1 implies r1 minus r2. 1 minus 1 0. Next a square minus b square, a cube minus b cube. Next r2 implies r2 minus r3 0. b square minus c square, b cube minus c cube. Don't disturb r3. Now expand the formulas. 0, this is a minus b into a plus b. This is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube formula. We are in matrices chapter, but they are testing our knowledge of algebraic identities. This is the relation between different chapters. So as we are in matrices chapter, they may test the knowledge of trigonometry also. So 0, b minus c into b plus c, b minus c, b cube minus c cube, b minus c, b square plus bc plus c square, 1 c square c cube. Now a minus b common in first row, b minus c common in second row. What happens? A minus b into b minus c, 0, a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next 0, b plus c, b square plus bc plus c square, 1 c square c cube. Okay, half of the answer we got. Now I am going to operate row 2 minus row 1. Why means b plus c minus a minus b, b cancel, we will get c minus a. C minus a we may get. So like that observe the rows and the operations. Row 2 implies row 2 minus row 1. Row 2 minus row 1. What happens? A minus b into b minus c. Don't disturb first row. 0, a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and 0, this is b plus c minus a minus b. Row 2 minus row 1, right? Next b square plus bc plus c square. Next minus a square minus ab minus b square. Next 1 c square c cube. Okay, now here b square cancel, b cancel. What is remaining? A minus b into b minus c into 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Next 0, this is c minus a. In these two, b common. What is remaining? C minus a. C square minus a square can be written as c plus a into c minus a. So last row 1 c square c cube. Now c minus a is common. So what is remaining? A minus b, b minus c, c minus a into 0 a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 0 c minus a common 1, c minus a common, here we have b, c minus a common, here we have c plus a. 1 c square c cube. Now 3 terms we got in RHS. So now expand this with along first column, expand along with the first column, then we will get the answer, required answer. So which is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, along with first column means plus minus plus symbols. So 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0 into, don't write remaining, why means it is 0. 1 into, delete row and column, you will get a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square, 1 and a plus b plus c. We need some simplification. So a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, this is a plus b into a plus b plus c minus of a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so do simple careful simplification. A minus b, b minus c, c minus a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac, b into a, ba, b into b, b square, b into c, bc, minus into a square minus ab minus b square, multiply minus all the terms, b square cancel, ab cancel, a square cancel. Okay, what is remaining? ab plus bc plus ca, that is the answer. C minus a into ab plus bc plus ca, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so practice the operations, row operations ఏమేం చేస్తున్నాం అనేది కేర్ఫుల్గా ఆలోచించి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. Fourth problem, important problem for 2 marks. If omega is, this symbol is denoted as omega, pronounced as omega. Omega is complex, non-real cube root of 1, cube root of unity. Then show that this determinant is equal to 0. So you are not aware of complex analysis, which we are going to learn in second year A paper. So here I am giving some hints. Okay, so as it is given that x is cubed root of unity, cubed root of 1 means cubing on both sides, you will get x cube is equal to 1, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This is x a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. As it is cube root of unity, we should get 3 roots. That's why I write like this. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. This is a quadratic equation. By using minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula, quadratic formula, which you are already learning 10th standard. So substitute that formula. 1 minus 4 is nothing but root minus 3. Root minus 3 can be written as root 3i. From complex analysis, if we have any negative term in square root, we can write like this, that is I is called as imaginary unit. So minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. So here 1 is the 1 root and this root is denoted with omega. దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే, స్క్వేర్ చేయండి, a plus b whole square ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు వచ్చేది ఈ రూట్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఇవంతా మీ వర్క్, ఈ మూడింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి, కేర్ఫుల్గా యాడ్ చేయండి. యాడ్ చేస్తే √3i క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి 2 LCM మొత్తం 0 అయిపోతుంది. మూడింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 1 × ω that is ω³ is equal to 1. So in this problem we are going to use this property 1 + ω + ω² is equal to 0. So take left hand side part, simple step, that is operate R1, that is R1 + R2 + R3. What happens? 1 + ω + ω², this is also 1 + ω + ω², this is also 1 + ω + ω², and the remaining ω, ω² ω1, and as we know that 1 + ω + ω² is 0, so substitute here. So this is important step, adding, and this we should know. This answer is 0. 1 + ω + ω² is 0. ω, ω² 1, ω² 1 ω. As a complete row is 0, then the determinant is also 0, which is equal to RHS. So to solve this problem, you should know about this, that is 1 + ω + ω² is equal to 0. Next important problem for 7 marks. Take left hand side part, and here the answer is a + b + c whole cube. So in such a way that we should think, if we add or subtract which rows which columns, then we will get a + b + c. So ఈ మూడింటిని యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే -b + 2b b, -c + 2c + c అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి a + b + c వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. Therefore first operation is R1, that is R1 + R2 + R3. Okay, so then LHS is equal to a - b + c, right? A - b + 2b become +b, -c + 2c become +c. 2a - a + b, 2c - c, c. Add these three, you will get 2a - a, 2b - b, b + c. Right? Remaining, no need, don't disturb remaining 2 rows. Now a + b + c is common from first row. One a + b + c came. We should get 2 more a + b + c's. So first this is the operation. Okay, next em cheyali, operate these two. C2 implies C2 - C1, C3 implies C3 - C1. So these are next 2 operations. Do practice. Okay, then what happens means b - c - a means b - 2b you will get -2b, - b, minus common means you will get a + b + c there, that's why. Okay, so here a + b + c into 1, don't disturb first column, 1 - 1 0, next b - c - a minus 2b, 2c - 2c, 1 - 1 2b minus 2b, and c - a minus b minus 2c, c3 - c1. Okay, now simplify it. What happens? A + b + c into 1 2b 2c 0. This is minus of -a minus b minus c, 0 0 0 -a minus b minus c. Almost we got the answer. As it is triangular matrix, the determinant is product of the diagonal elements, so which is equal to a + b + c into 1 into -a minus b minus c into -a minus b minus c. That's it. Now a + b + c into, in this one -1 common, a plus b plus c. In this one also minus 1 common, a plus b plus c. So minus into minus plus, there are 3 a plus b plus c's. So a plus b plus c whole cube, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole cube, which is RHS. Simple problem, just 3-4 steps only, but do practice. Then you will get 7 marks easily. Easy వస్తాయి 7 marks. మంచిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. Important property, show that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 is always 0. First of all, you should know about skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix గురించి చెప్పాను, చాలా టైం అయింది కాబట్టి మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు. సో skew symmetric matrix అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ example, this is skew symmetric matrix. Diagonal elements should be 0 and these two are mirror images. ఇక్కడ a ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ a ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ b ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ b ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ c ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ c, ఆర్ ఇక్కడ c ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ c. అంటే ఈ రెండు ఆపోజిట్ సైన్లో ఉండాలి, మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఓకే, అండ్ diagonal elements should be 0. So now try to find the determinant of this skew symmetric matrix of order 3. 0 into, here plus minus plus symbols, 0 into, remove row and column, you will get 0 c minus c 0, minus a into row, remove column, minus a c b 0, next plus into minus b into, remove row and column, you will get minus a 0 b minus c. So 0 into something 0, minus a into 0 0, minus bc, minus b into minus into a, minus a into minus c, plus ac, minus 0 into b 0. Now minus a into minus bc, abc, minus b into ac, minus abc, which is 0. So any order of 3 skew symmetric matrix determinant is 0. Now you should have a question, అంటే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మైండ్ రావాలి. మరి 2/2కి చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? లెట్ us check. a is equal to 0, b minus b 0, diagonal element 0, these are the additive inverse to each other. Okay, now determinant of a is equal to 0, minus into minus plus b square, which is b square, so which is need not be 0. 0 అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, సమ్టైమ్స్ అవ్వచ్చు అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, 2/2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ skew symmetric matrix determinant may or may not be 0, but skew symmetric matrix of order 3 determinant is always 0. Remember this point, important point for competitive examinations. Last problem, find the value of x if this determinant is equal to 0. Already it is given, the determinant is 0. By using that relation we should find the value of x. So from this operate, here I am doing some operations, that is r2 implies r2 minus r1 and r3 implies r3 minus r1. These are the two operations I am going to do. So then there is no disturbance to first row, it is as it is, and x minus 4 minus x minus of minus 2 plus 2, 2x minus 9 minus 2x plus 3, 3x minus 16 minus 3x plus 4. Next third row, x minus 8 minus x plus 2, 2x minus 27 minus 2x plus 3, 3x minus 64 minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. What happens? First row as it is, 3x minus 4, x cancel, minus 2, 2x, 3x cancel, minus 6, minus 12, minus 6, minus 27, 3, minus 24, minus 60, which is equal to 0. Now in this one minus 2 common, in this one minus 6 common. What happens? Minus 2 into minus 6 into x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. Minus 2 common means 1, 2 3s, 6. Minus 6 common in this row means 1s, minus 6 into 4, minus 6 into 10, which is equal to 0. So this become, if we bring to that side, that becomes 0. Then what is remaining actually? We need only this determinant. So this become minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12, 0 by 12 become 0. So expand it, x minus 2 into this 3, 6, 4, 10 minus 2x minus 3 into remove row and column 1, 6, 1, 10. Symbol minus kada, 1, 6, 1, 10. Next plus 3x minus 4 into remove row and column, you will get 1, 3, 1, 4 is equal to 0. Now simplification, x minus 2 into 30, 10 into 3, 30 minus 24, minus 2x minus 3 into 10 minus 6, 3x minus 4 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. 30 minus 64 becomes 6. 6 into x, 6x minus 12. Otherwise write one more step. 6 into x minus 2 minus 10 in minus 6, 4 into 2x minus 3 plus 1, that is 3x minus 4, which is equal to 0. This is 6x minus 12 minus 4 into 2 minus 8x plus 12 plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x, 6x, 9x minus 8x, x. 12 cancel, minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4 is the answer. X is equal to 4. Right. So students, these are the problems based on determinants. So practice carefully. చాలా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మంచి గ్రిప్ తెచ్చుకోండి. దీని నుంచి చాలా మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 7-13 మార్క్స్ వరకు వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉండొచ్చు అప్పుడప్పుడు. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ఇన్వర్స్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ దట్ ప్లేస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ వైల్ ఫైండింగ్ solutions of linear equations x plus y plus z linear equations in 3 variables. ఓకే, సో వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేయడంలో మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ మెథడ్లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి ఇన్వర్స్ మెథడ్ చెప్పబోతున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో వినండి, ఓకేనా. సో ఇవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో చాలామందికి ఇవి అవసరం ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. షేర్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు కూడా నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఓకేనా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.